Ayan, we have the Captain America Hypermotions figure. So, this is actually a 3.75-inch line Bandai brand. And not yung usual na China-made na figure. And ito yung kasama niyang accessory, yung shield. Ayan, so may Marvel na brand. And sculpt, actually maganda, even yung paint niya. So, even though 3.75 siya, maganda yung details. And for the articulation, and so head, shoulder, elbow, single jointed, no articulation sa arms. Torso articulation, no hip articulation. Crotch, meron din. And sa knee, so single jointed din. And sa feet, no articulation as well.